In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. So I put together this video because I wanted to make sure that you as an affiliate have the right path, you have the right strategies, especially if you're starting out. You know, I've been doing marketing and I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 5 years, and I've made a lot of mistakes, and I don't want to see you making the same mistakes as me. So my goal for this video is to shorten the time that it'll take for you to be a successful affiliate. Let's decrease the learning curve and let's get you on the right path right now. So before we get on with the video, I just want to say that I think affiliate marketing is the best business in the world for those that want to make money online. You don't need to spend months developing a product. You don't need to train a whole team. You don't need to do support. You don't need to invest that much money. The only thing that you need to do is know how to sell. Your job as an affiliate is selling other people's products and earning a commission. That's it. If you try to sell something without a strategy, of course you're going to fail. In this video, I want to give you the right strategies. How will you as an affiliate succeed by selling what you want to sell to the right person? That is my goal. So that being said, let me go to JVZoo. JVZoo is the affiliate platform that I use to promote my products. And I want to show you my results. And as you saw, I literally reloaded the page right now. I'm going to do it one more time. This is not a screenshot. These are my real results. If I click on view all, you will see how much I made today. You will see how much I made, let's see, this month. It takes a while. There we go. So this month I made $6,000. But here's the thing, this month just started. As you can see here on my computer, it's October 5th. I'm actually gonna open my calendar so you can see. We are in October 5th, so it counts these 5 days as the whole month. But in reality, if you hover your mouse, you can see how much you made each individual day. So let's go over the first one. This is October 1st, 1,500. This is October 2nd, 900. Let's see. 1,500 again, 900 again, and 1,200. Like I said, this is how much I made the last 5 days. If you go to last month, this is gonna get the whole month of September. You'll see how much I made. So almost $70,000. So $68,667. There's so many sixes here for some reason. But anyways, that is a lot of money. So you can see affiliate marketing is real. It's working. People make money. Now, there's a lot of people, a lot of gurus online saying affiliate marketing doesn't work anymore. Now, I don't get this, because if you look at some stats, you will see that people now, especially in 2022, are buying more and more online. The consumers want to buy more products online. That means that you as an affiliate have more opportunity to sell them other products. You see, affiliate marketing is working. It is working now more than ever. Let me just show you this one last thing before we move on. This is my all-time earnings. It takes a while. $1.2 million. This is how much I've made with JVZoo alone in the last couple years. $1.2 million. This is a lot of money. And like I said, this is real. And you could be doing the same exact thing. Affiliate marketing is actually not that hard when you have the right strategy. People usually confuse easy with simple. Affiliate marketing is simple, but it's not easy because you have to give enough time. You have to work hard. You gotta give some energy into the business. Sometimes you got to invest some money and you got to be consistent. So that being said, you will get the strategies to make money as an affiliate. You just got to see if you're willing to do these strategies and give enough time. But anyways, as I was saying, affiliate marketing is not as easy as grabbing your affiliate link and just posting it on social media. This doesn't work anymore. But wait, before we go on with the video, I want you to do me a favor and I want you to look behind me. Behind me, you will see the $10,000 plaque, $100,000 plaque, $200,000 plaque, $50,000 plaque, and $25,000 plaque. These are the plaques that I've given out to my affiliates, my top affiliates. These are affiliates making thousands and thousands of dollars every single month of passive income. So trust me when I say this, one thing that I know how to do is make my affiliates some money. I've paid over $40 million in affiliate commissions, and I've helped over 2,000 different affiliates make their first $1,000 online. That's a pretty big deal. And those affiliates were able to find real success online by following this 3-step formula. One, it's to find a good product, a product that offers a passive income commission. Number 2 is for you to find a good affiliate system. You want to earn as much commissions from each individual sale as you can. And last but not least, you want a good strategy. And when I say a good strategy, you want to be able to make money organically. You don't want to invest on ads. You don't want to be spending money to make money. What you want to do is make money organically. You want to make sales without having to spend a single dollar on ads. And that's what I'm going to show you, because that is what most of my affiliates do. Now, going back to my computer, I want to show you step number 1. That is choosing a good product for you as an affiliate to promote. So what you want to do is access the website muncheye.com. So if you go to Muncheye, this is the URL, muncheye.com. You will be able to see all of the new products that are being launched in different platforms like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. If you scroll down, you can see there is a lot. There is a lot of products for you to choose from. And here on this page, you can see who is launching, the product name, and how much you will earn from selling each product. So for example, this one is 37 at 50% commissions. This one is 3,497 at 40% commissions. And this way you can see what the product is about, along with seeing how much commissions you're gonna get per sale, which is really good. Some affiliates like to promote a lower product for their list. Some affiliates like to promote a more expensive, like a high ticket product to their list. After all, each affiliate has their own way of promoting. What I would do is go through this page right here, see what is launching, choose one of the yellow ones, because these are usually the best ones. So for example, let's click on this one. This is a $3,497 product at 50% commission. And once you click on the product, you can see the description of the product. They're doing a pre-launch and they're doing an actual launch a few days later. We're not gonna go over the description. The point is, here you can see this link, the JV page. And on this JV page, you can understand more about the product. If you scroll down the page, you can participate in affiliate contests. So look at this contest, for example. If you win 3rd place, you make an extra $2,000. If you win 2nd place, you earn an extra $5,000. If you win 1st place, you win an extra $20,000 along with $2 per lead. This is crazy because you have nothing to lose. You might as well promote this. Do your best. If you promote this, you will earn your commissions. It's a 50% commission on a $3,000 product, for example, along with being able to compete in the affiliate contest. Check this out. It's over $1,750 per sale, $2 per lead, $200,000 in prizes given. And if we scroll down a little bit more, if you make over $100,000, you can also participate in this contest right here. It's a $10,000 giveaway, $20,000 giveaway, and $50,000 giveaway. I know this one is a little bit too high. For you to make over $100,000, you got to make a lot of sales. But if you go back to Muncheye, for example, let me go back here. Muncheye. You will be able to find contests that you can easily win if you use the strategies in this video. So that is one thing. Choosing a product for you to promote that either has a good affiliate system with a good affiliate contest, or choosing a product, which is the second tip I'm going to give you, that will make you passive income. A product that has a subscription-based product, a product that people will buy and they will keep using for months, meaning that you can make commissions for months as long as they keep using that product. Does that make sense? Now, just to recap, this is really good. This will get you really far because not only you earn a commission off of every sale, you can also participate in those affiliate contests, increasing your earnings. But there is something much better. And this is something that my affiliates have been doing. This is the way for you to reach 7 figures as an affiliate. And that is choosing a monthly subscription product, a product that will make you passive income. As long as that person keeps using that product, you keep earning your commissions. You make your sale once and earn commissions for months and months. So let me give you an example. Let's say you make 10 sales in your first month promoting a product. Each sale will give you a $50 commission. That means by the end of the month, you have made $500. But let's say on the second month, you also make 10 sales. Each sale gives you 50% commissions. So by the end of the second month, you have made $500 off of the sales that you made in the second month, but you also made another $500 from the sales that you made on the first month. Why? Because it accumulates. If you make the sale in the first month and the user uses that product the first month and the second month, you make a commission on the first and second month. So if you do that again for the third month, not only you will make commissions from the sales of the first, second, but you will also earn commissions from the third month as well. So like I said, if you make 10 sales in the first month, 10 sales in the second month, and 10 sales on the third month, you will earn 500 from the first, 500 from the second, and 500 from the third, making you a total of $1,500 of passive income. This is how passive income works. What you make today is what you get tomorrow. Now, if you are looking for a monthly subscription-based product, I'm going to leave 2 links down in the description. These are the products that you should be promoting that will make you real passive income. The first one is Builderall. This is the one that my affiliates make a lot of money with. Builderall is a digital marketing platform that has over 50 different tools. So anyone looking to have an online presence will need to purchase this tool. This is a tool that allows you to build websites, funnels, email marketing, webinars, e-learnings. And like I said, there's 50 tools here. This is a really good tool for you to promote as an affiliate. And again, it'll make you passive income. The second tool is the Cheetah Builder Pro. The Cheetah Builder Pro, you will find it on JVZoo, so you can just go ahead and search for that one. This is the tool in the beginning of the video that I showed you that made $60,000 in 1 month. This is also very good and it'll make you passive income. Again, this is a beautiful page. It's a beautiful tool. Anyone looking to build a website on WordPress should be using this tool right here. So there you go. You have 2 different products for you to promote and make passive income. If you're interested, the link is down in the description. Now, last but not least, let's talk about strategy. A good strategy consists of 4 different steps. Step number 1 is choosing a niche and identifying the audience. Step number 2 is becoming the authority on that niche. Step number 3 is creating content for that niche. And step number 4 is for you to promote your product as the solution for that niche and for that audience. And for you to do this, you need to start with a YouTube channel. Pick a name for the channel and contact a designer on Fiverr to help you create the visual identity of your channel and of your brand. Now that includes your logos, your social media banners, your thumbnails, your intros, and your outros. You want to make everything congruent. You want to make everything look on brand. You want to make your brand look professional. And once you have that, you just got to create some content. You want to be relevant in your niche. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. What you have to do is do some research. What is your audience searching for on YouTube? Look what they're searching for. Look what your competitors are doing and just do something similar. Now just remember the 80 and 20% rule. You want to create content 80% of the time and you want to promote your products 20% of the time. You want your viewers, you want your audience to see you as a helpful channel and not an advertising channel. Now this is a process that I really like because you get to keep 100% of the profits. You see, whenever you make a sale through YouTube, you're not paying for ads. You're not really paying for advertising. YouTube is promoting your videos and YouTube is bringing traffic over to your funnel. In fact, this is the same strategy that most of my successful affiliates used to be able to be successful as an affiliate marketer. They chose a niche, they created content for that niche, and they promoted the product for that niche that their audience needed. There is just one thing that you gotta know. Whenever creating your content, you have to create something that is relevant for your audience. Let's say you have a fitness niche. You gotta create content that people that are looking to get fit will wanna watch. The most important step here is creating content that is relevant for your niche, relevant for your audience. If your audience is not searching for this, if they're not interested in what you're making, there is no point. They're not searching for it. They're not going to watch it. You're not going to be the authority on that niche. Once you do that, you will start, like I said, becoming the authority, and you will see how easily you will be able to sell your products. Whenever selling your products, you got to think of this one thing. How is my product, the product that I chose, helping my audience? How is this product the solution to my audience's problem? That's why you have to choose a niche first. Once you choose a niche, you can identify your audience's problems, you can identify what their goals are, their objections, their struggles, and you can somehow manage to get your product as the solution for the problems. You see, that's how affiliate marketing works. Choose a product that could be used in your niche and sell it to the audience as the solution for their problems. For example, if I'm into fitness and I want to lose weight, you have to convince me that your product is gonna help me lose weight. You're not gonna be selling me your product. You're gonna be selling me losing 10 pounds in 1 week. So to finish off the video, I wanna ask you one last question. If you wanna make money as an affiliate, if you wanna be a successful affiliate, why not learn from my top 10 best affiliates of all time? Affiliates who are making now millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. A couple months ago, I got together with my best affiliates and I went on a call with each one of them, asking their strategies, their secrets, their funnels, exactly what they were doing, the whole mindset behind affiliate marketing. And I created a course with 15 straight to the point lessons where you can go through in one day and you will see exactly what they do step by step. If you go on YouTube, you will see so many strategies that don't work anymore. These are strategies that were working back then in 2010, but now things have changed. Affiliate marketing has evolved. So you gotta learn not from books, but from people doing it. And if that's something that interests you, again, link is in the description. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.